of a circle where HK is the center, so note the negatives that you're going to be changing the signs to determine where the center of the circle is, and is equal to the radius squared. This where -3 is H and 4 is K, it means the center of your circle is going to be at 3, -4. And if it's equal to 25, it means that your radius is actually 5 units. Value of the center of the circle should be at +3, and the y value of the center of the circle should be at -4. Let's come over here to Desmos, where I've already pasted in the formula, and we find that to be the case. Here x, we're going to the center of the circle, is at 3, the very center, and then the very center of the is passing through -4 at y, and the radius is 5 units. So if we want to, let's say, make the circle smaller, we can make it 16, and then we make the radius smaller to 4, and if we want it bigger, then we can make it 100. And it doesn't have to be a perfect square. You can use anything. I can put in 70 if I want to, and it doesn't matter. So that's how you graph a circle.